Hey everyone, welcome back to From Zero to Affiliate Hero 90 Days Journey. I'm Matt and today is day 72. We're continuing our promotion of Home Business Academy, a powerful $25 funnel builder and training platform for entrepreneurs. Yesterday, we've kicked things off and today we'll dive into setting up another email campaign to keep building momentum. Let's get into it. We started promoting HBA yesterday, and today we'll be sending out another email to keep the momentum going. Consistency is key in affiliate marketing, so even when results aren't instant, it's important to keep showing up daily. Let's set up today's email and keep moving forward. Let's take a quick look at the stats from yesterday's campaign. Let's log into my MLGS. Let's go to statistics. As you can see, we've got solid engagement with opens and clicks coming in. Now let's have a look at the affiliates card for the offer itself. Yesterday we had 46 clicks. Remember, this is all about building momentum. The more consistent we are with sending emails, the better our chances of conversions. Now, let's set up today's email for HBA. As I mentioned yesterday, I've created a few email swipes specifically for this campaign, which you can find in our Google document. Let's have a look. As you can see, it's already there. So for you, you can just copy, change the link, change the name, or you can use mine and just send an email. Since we have everything ready, we can now set it up in MLGS. So let's go to the mailing system. As always, select all the leads. Let's grab the subject. Let's paste it here and then the email body. As always, highlight only the link so it's more prominent. Select the perfect timing, and since everything is in order, just send email. Remember, as always, wait for the timer. It is important to stay consistent. Affiliate marketing isn't an overnight success story. It's about showing up every day, sending these emails, and building trust with your audience. Even if you don't see results right away, the consistent effort will pay off over time. If you're looking for more tips, strategies, or just want to connect with others on the same journey, make sure to join our Affiliate Success Hub Facebook group. We've got a great community and the link is in the description. Come join us and let's grow together. So that's it for the day 72. We're keeping the momentum going with Home Business Academy, and remember, consistency is everything. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, all the important links are in the description. Let's keep pushing forward, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 73.